Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save life. Yes, preemptive strike save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel hate criminals with a passion. Yes, we hate criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpets awaits you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. If this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above. Click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not a sympathetic channel for criminals. You must go elsewhere if you want a criminal sympathizer channel. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your mama, your papa, mommy, daddy, and girlfriend, boyfriend, neighbor, side chick, side man, and your co-worker. Yes. Remember to share the video. And tell a friend to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. That we at this channel, we hate criminals with a passion and we don't want them to go to prison. We have lots more of video that are not on YouTube. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you'll be able to gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this on top collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Join our Patreon community allows you to explore content that complies with laws, rules, regulations while avoiding disruption of our channel's functionalities. Moving on to today's video. In life, nothing beats than being honest or truthful to oneself. Whether or not you like Donald Trump as a person or as the former president of the United States of America, the assassination attempt on him by Thomas Matthew Crooks is a stark reflection of the violent rhetoric he has propagated in America. Trump's consistent promotion of hostility against those he disagrees with has created a perilous environment. It is crucial to remember that it was Trump who incited a former military member to attack an FBI office, resulted in the man's death at the hands of law enforcement. What kind of leader encouraged such behavior? Trump's actions are not only despicable, but also dangerous. He's playing with fire, sowing division, and fostering a climate of fear and aggression. The individuals he targets often possess the critical thinking skills to see through his rhetoric and chooses not to support him. This is not the behavior of a leader seeking to unite a nation, but rather one who thrives on discord and chaos. The tragic incident involving Thomas Matthew Crooks underscored the consequences of such divisive leadership. It is disheartening to witness the United States, a beacon of democracy and stability, beginning to resemble a third world country, torn apart by strife. We must recognize the urgent need to address this growing divide and work towards a more peaceful and respectful nation. Unite. You have to unite the nation. The path forward requires leaders who promote dialogue, understanding, and respect for all citizens, regardless of their political beliefs. And that's one of the things that is missing from what is happening in America for the past 8 years. And it has been sown. Donald Trump is the man that started the thing with the birth certificate with Barack Obama. And fortunately, there was never an attempt on Barack Obama by the right or the left. But unfortunately, we are seeing now in real time where Donald Trump has been attacked by one of his supporters. And it is just disheartening. We just hope to see America what it used to be, the beacon of hope for the world. So, this is part 3 of the Trump supporter attempt to kill him. But why would a Republican voter want to kill its leader? That's the $1 million question. We just hope that the FBI and all the other agencies involved in this investigation make everything public and don't hide anything. You understand? As you know, you have. So this is a serious day. Some people say, no. So we have to just give you things in context. You understand? So that's what it's all about here at the Jamaica Young Police channel. So this is part 3 of 3. You watch, you listen, and you decide. Yeah, man. Oh, if a Christian and you know, no love. You against the people of healthcare and you're hungry and violent and boy, I mean, I know. But hey, me not go for them church, you know. You understand? Me not go to church. Believe you me. Me is a man. When me know that there's a God. Me not go to church and me not indulge in them lifestyle and them thing there. Me not go around them and cause hey, me not like liar. That just me that. You know see. So yeah man, so crook, you know, economic despair can be a powerful motivator for drastic actions. If Crooks or his family face significant financial struggles, it could have exacerbated hopelessness and resentment. The perception that Trump's policies benefited the wealthy at the expense of the working class might have intensified these sentiments. So this man now, although he must register as a Republican, you know, so him go to school now. Guess what now when him go to school? Him get university education. So him can't think now. Maybe all of them thing there, we don't know. Him can't think now and realize that, oh, everything when them do is against we white people who have voted for them in the Republican Party. Because I wealthy bent them so at them thing them go so maybe a school radicalize them, you know. Me I tell you, you know, cause knowledge of power, you know. So him not realize no cause maybe our female parents them not really can read. Maybe a grade 3 student education them have, so him no have a college, you know, have a college degree associate, and him no realize that everything that they have been marketing to them as whites a scam. Them a scam them and them a vote against their own interest. So to him now, maybe that reach him, but you understand. But that's not the way you solve problem, but that's all a part of culture. Them believe in a violence, to solve problem. Then I believe in a diplomacy, you understand. Him feel like say, oh, no man, this a man a Satan incarnate and him, you understand what I'm saying. But hey, violence a solve problem. Well, I tell you that, violence a solve problem. So the intense political environment with constant media coverage and social media discourse can pressure individuals to take extreme actions. Crooks might have been swayed by an overwhelming amount of political rhetoric and conspiracy theories circulated online, driving him to believe that drastic measures were necessary to bring about change. So that now him feel like and them thing about. Even if all of these things culminate with what happened, them not gonna make the public know say if of these things, because him realize him parents and him grew up in a Republican house now, so him get some education and realize a scam my people. You understand? Them not gonna make the world. Them think they not gonna release them part there, cause him. So you know say if him write a manifesto, them not gonna release that, because if that manifesto come out and say his reason for doing all of this and realize say Republican them scam them all of them years. That's why them so poor and them are living in abject poverty as white people. It's because them a scam them and appeal like them I tell them. Because they are not for them, because them life no better. Even all the Obamacare and I lie them in a tell and you understand? Some people, I saw some people get radicalized by the truth. That's why it's like Rasta. Rasta, because I truth on them thing that Rasta start talk. That's why them say them radical and radical are just the truth. So, you know, that's how, you know, some people they are the Jesus moment. So determine the exact motive behind Crook's actions require a thorough investigation, including examining his personal history, communications, and social media activity. The FBI ongoing investigation aimed to uncover these details and shed light on the factors that led to this tragic event. A call for understanding and prevention. This incident underscored the urgent need to address the root causes of political violence. Mental health support, him not a mental problem. So this is not a madman. This is a man who go to school and him realize now how economics works. And more or less, as I hear him say, him was a gun enthusiast. If him could have shoot better, I would have different thing. And, you know, the thing about it now is that this man, him is a registered Republican. So, you know, so him come from a Republican family. And him now, we don't know. None of us don't know. Because we don't like you want to believe, you know. Both sides, them tell lie, you know, because one of them I tell us, boy, a man can be a woman, which is wrong. Because I take them on take over a woman sport with men. Because them can't win. So them have to cheat. Whilst the other one I say, no, we no support that. So the two of them at no time, them not agree on anything. Especially most things. Them not agree on anything. And them always use the law for create laws. Just like how them create marriage and change it from say, you know, I pronounce you man and wife. Them change that and I saw the radicalism coming on the next side. The court dismantled that. So, yeah, boy, marriage in our constitution. And then just throw it down upon the people because the black man, yeah, man, the brother named Barack Obama. That's why he's the most hated black man in the world by black people. Black people don't like him, all like Africa. I want to tell you, whether or not you want to believe it, them burn effigy of Barack Obama in South Africa. And them have to bring George W. Bush and Laura Bush for cool along the people them in Africa. So that, but them now going to show you them thing there in America. For sure, he said them president, at the time he was president, that them hate him in Africa. Because he might tell the African people them for indulge in a European lifestyle. And he say, go keep your money, keep your germs. I see him think, and look, show you the hypocrisy. The other day, some people from African politician come from Africa and them turn them back because them say we don't want the rear admiral lifestyle in our country. But while you have a white guy now, show you a white supremacy, a white guy named from Europe named Victor Orban, and them man, that I see him country where George Soros from Hungary. The man they straight up, the man you can't come in them country with your madness and them thing there. And them man they ban it. But yet them let him in America in the damn Mar-a-Lago. So what's the difference between Victor Orban and the African leaders, them? The African politicians when them turn back in American port. Urban, white. Once you're white, it's alright. Once you're black, you step back. So them turn back the black people them. So that's how it go. You understand? White people can't do this thing but black people. So bullyism and badness. You understand? Oppression and suppress. No freedom of speech, no freedom. Them tell you that, but freedom of speech is where them, and truth is where them say. Them approve it, you know. Them are not God in that. Them want to behave like God on earth. But if you know history and you know your Bible, remember say God did chase Lucifer out of heaven, and I write down you say Lucifer there. And you go say, who's Lucifer? And you have to go figure that out for yourself. Because you have to just look back when you come on to wickedness. Who's responsible for all of the wicked acts in our world? Who all is a plan to kill every other race and kill all even themselves? You have to understand that. So you know, Matthew never have no mental health problem. So he never need no mental health support. So you know, everything in America them talk about mental health and you know providing accessible mental health resources, especially for those experiencing bullying, isolation or trauma, is crucial. Early intervention can prevent individual from reaching a breaking point. Hey, look here, which one me grew up on them thing then? Bullying a part of culture, them thing make you strong. I teach you if you deal with conflicts, if you deal with, you understand. But hey, in America, a different thing. Hey, them youth, remember, the youth, them, first time them one big school massacre, was with it, Dylan, Klibble, and Harris. Boy, I tell you, remember that Friday, man. Boy, them, them in Colorado, white people, them that too, kill them own schoolmate, 19. Them time Bill Clinton was president. And hey, guess what? White people know I just saw them America, them thing there. So countering extremism, efforts to counter extremist ideology must be intensified. This includes monitoring online content, promoting digital literacy, and encourage critical thinking to help individuals discern credible information from dangerous propaganda. Propaganda. Whether or not you have to believe it, yeah, I say it got them thing there. Yeah, man, propaganda run the world. Yeah, man, propaganda. Them I talk about from propaganda around the world. Cause, appear lies, lies around the world, whether or not you want to believe it, Yeah, man, propaganda is a powerful tool. Yeah, propaganda is a powerful tool, and it certainly shaped the world in many ways. But to say it runs the world is a strong statement. And we believe that, say propaganda around the world. Lies, spreading ideas, propaganda can be very effective at shaping public opinion and influencing how people see the world. It can use to promote a particular political agenda, social cause, and even a product. So just like how them tell us say a man can be woman, and them tell us say that's a way in their mind. I play people mind too, Them want to say if you're a dummy or if you're an organic robot. And then now if you go along with them and use economic terrorism against you. So you say if we go from both sides of the aisle is terrorism, you will face. Yes. But hey, one thing with the left now, them dangerous when they come on to that now, because them use economic terrorism and them will blacklist you and all of them things. How dare you if you speak the truth? You must be a liar. That's how it go. So difficulty to discern in the age of social media and 24/7 news cycles. It can be difficult to tell what's real and what's propaganda. Misinformation and fake news can spread quickly, making it hard for people to inform or to form and inform opinions. So we can't tell you now that. So just like after the shooting and everything, there was this thing that floating with a guy and all kind of thing, and black man do it, Yeah, man, a black man says a brother from Antifa and all kind of thing. If you live in America, you know about Antifa. Antifa is a counter to the white Republican them were violent. So Antifa decided to, when I met them guys come run over our community, so them take up arms too, and them now them, you understand. So the other one them started, and then out of action there come a reaction. Not all powerful. However, propaganda isn't all encompassing. People are critical thinkers and can learn to identify propaganda techniques. So there are also strong forces working against propaganda, like free press and independent journalism. Everything what you do, whether or not you want to believe it, is screw you to think one way or the other. But you have to understand, what is lacking is critical thinking. Most people can't think critically. Them think an ideological sphere, them in an ideological realm. So if them are Republican, even when I show them the truth, them not see it. Democrat, they see him. Like all even a Democrat, you can't tell them, say, no, biologically, because of chromosome and anything, no man can be a woman, and a woman can be a man. It no matter what them thinking in them head, that's a fit them thing, but biologically and scientifically, that can't work. Them tell you now, say you're a bigot and you're homophobe and all kind of thing. So that them use the one bully people and them thing there. Another type problem in our country. We don't know how them come by that, but that's how we reach. We don't know, it's like them always find some form of madness for always come up with that them thing there. And the other side I see them thing. Them now them tell us them a ban book. You understand? Remember saying in slavery, you know, black people couldn't read book, you know. So now them are ban it from white people because the young white one them don't read. And I said, boy, some of my ancestors, them wicked man. Look how them wicked to black people in this and black people build it. So them now start be sympathetic and empathetic to black people. So that's why them younger group now gravitate to the Democratic Party and move away from the Republican because them realize they are more educated than their parents and grandparents. And I say, no, you have been duped and scammed for decades and you realize because you have vote because of race, you have vote because of a pocketbook. And that's why you sick and can't go to a doctor and all kind of thing. So that's a reason why, because our young people, them why Joe Biden in the last election, because them come out, you understand, and the black people, black people, why you get Donald Trump, because if them they come out, Pennsylvania was a solid blue state when it come on to presidential election. But Hillary Clinton never did campaign up there. And the black people, them in Philadelphia, them don't like the truth. Black people don't like the truth, so them never did turn out. Yeah, so developing critical thinking skills is essential in today's world. This means questioning information you see online, in the media, looking for different perspectives, and checking the source of information. Learning about media literacy can help you understand how propaganda works and how to identify it. Like if you watch Fox News, I pay like them tell the people them. Fox News pay one of the biggest defamation or character lawsuit ever in the history of the world. And them still lie to the people them. Because them people feel comfortable with lies. We are telling that. Make sure you seek out information from a variety of sources, including those with different viewpoints. So while propaganda is a powerful tool, it doesn't have complete control by being informed and critical consumers and information. So we can limit its influence. Yeah, so some people, them just love them, them feel comfortable with the truth. Some people, the truth make them feel uncomfortable, so them love lie. You understand? And that's one problem of the world, where people, them hate for dealing, the truth, but them rather the lies. And that's a problem with the world, where people, some people, the truth make them uncomfortable. And there's several reasons why some people find the truth uncomfortable and prefers lies. And hey, look here, everywhere in the world, you can't count the few people who love truth. Because when you love truth, the truth is something hurting, it bites, but you love it, because it's truth. But lies are something that make people comfortable. So challenge to identity. The truth can sometimes challenge our beliefs, values, or worldview. This can be unsettling and make us question who we are. Sticking with a comfortable lie can feel safer than facing the possibility that we might be wrong. That's one I think we are kill us as a people in this world, where people just love the lie, the comfortable lie, rather than the uncomfortable truth. And people, once them like you, them lie. Yeah, man. They make excuse for you and them thing. Like all a guy, I will see it. One of the biggest court dealer, what we say what it is, I hope to know him apologize, and the people them still love him. And him promote rape and all kind of thing, and them still love him same way. Women, so I show you, because them love a lie. So them live in a world of lie. And the person when I tell them the truth, them hate the person when I speak the truth. I just saw the world is. Con artists and scammer, I saw the world is run. So the truth can be painful. It might reveal something about ourselves and or the world that we don't want to accept. Facing a harsh reality can be emotionally difficult, so some people choose to avoid it. Sometimes the truths can have negative consequences. For example, if the truth reveals a mistakes we made, we might fear punishment or loss of respect. Lies can seem like a way to avoid these consequences, even if they are temporary, and that's a problem. You see, once you deal with the truth harsh, and sometime in time, people say, boy, when you're too truthful, them say good guys finish last. Yeah, that's what them say, you know. Good guys finish last. So you understand. So this mental discomfort, that a cognitive dissonance, this is a mental discomfort that occur when we hold two conflicting beliefs at the same time. People naturally try to reduce cognitive dissonance, and sometimes the easiest way to do that is to ignore or reject the truth. And that's how most people do. Them love lie. So when you lie to them, them love you. Not everyone. It is important to remember that everyone avoid the truth. Many people value honesty and willing to face uncomfortable realities in order to have a clear understanding of the world. Hey, when you're looking at man and see some people and doctor feeling out, white woman who say them have them PhD and them tell a man, you know, say boy the man is a woman and man with them long seed and all them, you say wow. Boy, so you have to understand, so remember say the devil is the art of confusion. I just saw it go. And if you believe same time where God did chase out the devil and say send him come on earth, well look no further. Importance of truth. While the truth can be difficult, it is ultimately essential for our personal growth and positive change. By facing the truth, we can learn from our mistakes and make better decisions in the future. Overall, there are many reasons why people might choose lies over truth. However, it is important to remember the value of honesty and the importance of facing reality, even when it's uncomfortable. I just saw it go. So you have to understand, say, with our brethren, Mr. Crooks, you know, it can be, you know, all of the things were happening, them thing there. Some of it can be economic, addresses economic disparities, can mitigate feelings of hopelessness and resentment. Policies providing economic relief and opportunities can reduce the likelihood of individual turning to violence out of desperation. So as later as the investigation continue, we know what drive this man to do this. If them willing to tell you, because you know so some things, them now tell you, you know. Political and social dialogue, promoting constructive political discourse and reducing societal polarization can help prevent individual radicalization. Encouraging empathy and understanding political divides is essential for a healthier democracy. So the assassination attempt by Thomas Matthew Crooks is a tragic reminder of the complex and multifaceted nature of political violence. While this action were undeniably reprehensible, understanding the underlying motives is essential for preventing similar incidents in the future. By addressing mental health, counter extremism, providing economic support and fostering constructive dialogue, we can create a society where such tragedies are less likely to occur. The loss of life in this incident is deeply saddening, and it serves as a stark reminder, call to action for all of us to understand towards a safer and more understanding world. And the most important thing, I just love, if you love yourself, you know, you're going to love the next man, you know. But you say if you don't love yourself, you can't love the next man. When you preach hate, it's because you're a hateful person. And how you be a person who wants to lead a country and you're a hater. You hate people when you look like you. You can't do that. You understand? You have to love every human being. And that's what love is all about. Love is not just only love yourself and your family and your friend. You have to love everybody. And when you are govern a country, everybody, whether them vote for you or not, them are part of this, you understand? But right now, America is at a crossroad. It's either them are go right or go left. So we have to see what if them want a dictator, Donald Trump. Don't tell them already say want to be a dictator. We don't know if all them things why this brother here piss off. You understand? As you one brother now named J.D. Vance, them same one, the whole of them, hey look. What the hell that you like Mitt Romney? Mitt Romney will be remembered fondly in history, in the world, in American history. So Mitt Romney, children, grandchildren and great-grandchildren, they might be proud of him. He's the only Republican in the Republican Party who have any decency, honesty, ethics, truthfulness, and all of the good traits you can think of. Put aside about him business acumen, but this was a man who stand up for America against Donald Trump, and Donald Trump lies and tell the world say I'm a con man. Mitt Romney is the only one that vote for convict him and others. And the others them, yes. The first guy was, hey, me I tell you the man, you have a brother who did Jeff Flakes. Yeah. Him, you know, him and him didn't even get the chance to even do that. Him get the chance where him could have saved the country, but you have to understand, you know. You have the makers and shakers. John McCain, total different guy. John McCain wasn't beholden to anyone. That's why him vote down. Not doing I couldn't tell him nothing. So that will show you a difference within men and boys. John McCain was a man. The others them are boys. Yeah man. Have yourself a beautiful day, man. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.